Alright, sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, lesson 7, multiplying decimal numbers, dividing decimal numbers, and estimation. Okay, so like I said, we're building. We're always going to build. So we know how to multiply regular numbers. We know how to divide regular numbers, numbers without decimals. And now we're going to figure out how to do those with decimals. Okay, so we're on page 27. I need all eyes there. The bottom of 27, we've got our first paragraph, multiplying decimal numbers. Okay, so multiplication of decimal numbers is similar to multiplication of whole numbers. When we multiply decimals, we do not need to align the decimal points. You guys have told me that before. We first do the multiplication as if the decimal points were not present, and then we add the number of decimal places, so count the number of decimal places from the right, in both of the factors to find the position of the decimal for the product. Okay? Like I said, I think you guys have done this before, but we're going to review it just in case. So 4.12 times 63.2. So Damon, I'm going to start with you today. 63.2, where do I need to put that?
You don't have to line your decimals.
Don't have to line up my decimals. Good. So I can just put 63.2 really anywhere I want to do it, right? All right, do my math for me here. 4, 2, 8. 0, that's my placeholder. Good. 6.
12.
Careful.
3.
3, and then
12.
Good. 0. 0.
12.
2. Carry my 1.
7.
7. 24. Beautiful. Then we add them all together, right?
4.
Keep going. Beautiful.
8. 13.
Good.
10. 5. 6. 2.
Okay. Am I finished?
Nope.
Nope. What do I need to do? Decimals, right? So we're going to count how many decimals
Behind
left.
the 0.
I'm sorry?
Behind the 0.
Behind the 0. Good. So Devon counted here. We've got 1, 2, 3, right? So here I did 1, 2, 3. If you do want to count with your bubbles like that, just do me a favor and rewrite your answer so there's no confusion, okay? So, 260.384. Beautiful. If we had estimated 63 times 4, so what would you make 63 into maybe? Still you?
Huh?
Still your turn. What would you make if we wanted to estimate to check our work? 63.2, we could make that into about what? 60. And 4.12 you might make into?
4.2.
Okay, 4.1, let's completely knock off any decimals. The easiest number you can come up with for 4.12 would be?
41. 40.
Careful, you got to have the same value. So 4.1, we don't want to change that to 40. 4.1, 4, perfect. So 60 times 4, we can just do that multiplication, right? And then add on our 0. So what is 60 times 4, Damon? 2, say it again?
60 times 4.
Uh-huh. 6 times 4?
240.
240, perfect. I thought that's what you said, I just wanted to check. And that looks pretty close, right? Both of them were bigger, so we know our number is going to be bigger. So that, our estimation, looks good. Glasses. Will you take Alex to him also? Thank you. All right. So, looking good. Any questions on that? No? All right, perfect. All right. Let's turn our page. We've got example 7.2. Destiny, will you talk us through 7.2? We've got 6.78 times 0.0537. So we don't need to line up our decimals, so we can just do our multiplication.
8 times 7 is 56.
Good.
7 times 7 is 49, plus 5 is 54.
Good.
6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47.
Good.
Put your 0 on it.
Put my 0.
8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23.
Good.
6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20.
Beautiful.
Put your 2 zeros.
Good.
5 times 8 is 40.
Good. Running out of space.
7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is...
Okay. Say it again, sorry.
7 times 5 is 35.
There we go. 39.
6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33.
And then we got them all up. Keep going.
6, 8, 10, 14, 6, 3.
Good. We finished?
No,
Nope. What do we need to do?
add your decimal space.
Okay. Count them up. How many do you have?
6,
6. Good. How many here?
2,
2 here and
4.
4 here. So we need to take 6 down here. So when I move it 6 times, where do I end up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, you do the humps. Just rewrite it for me. Beautiful. Any questions on that? We're good? Alright, easy enough. You guys have that in the bag. So now we come to dividing our decimal numbers. Okay, here's where it's going to get a tiny bit tricky, but I have faith that you guys have this and we'll get it completely. Okay? So Damon, will you read us that, already called you, Portia, will you read us that first paragraph to divide?
What page?
28.
To divide by a decimal number, we first move the decimal point in the divisor to the right to make the divisor a whole number. Then the decimal point and the dividend must be moved to the right. The same number of places the decimal point in the answer is placed just above the decimal point in the dividend.
Good. So I know we have another paragraph. We'll get to that one in a second. I just want to make sure that we understand what that means. So it says to divide 0.084. I'm going to let it stay on you. Portia, is this the number under the tent or outside of the tent?
This is the number under the tent.
Under the tent or outside the tent?
Under the tent.
Under the tent. Good. Divided by 0.35. Okay? So, what Portia just told us. What is this?
There's a lip gloss she needs to look on.
Okay. Let's not do that during class. If you need some, get it afterwards, okay?
Well, you lips be cracking.
Okay.
You don't want me to talk to you, my lips crack.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay. So, Portia read us. We are all